Part 2 from Sovereign to Slave, The Hidden History of Corporate America. Consent and the Illusion of Citizenship, The Presumed Agreement, and how you were enrolled into the corporate system. It was never openly declared. You were never asked for your vote. And yet, through a chain of paperwork and presumption, you were enrolled into a system of commercial servitude. At birth, your parents signed a birth certificate, not knowing it was a registration of property, not just of life. The state, acting as trustee, created a legal entity on your behalf, a trust account and commercial vessel. Your Social Security application? A contract. Your driver's license? A contract. Your voter registration? Another contract. Through these instruments, you are presumed to operate as the legal fiction known as a U.S. person, a subject of corporate law. But here's the deception: consent does not have to be expressed. In contract law, silence is often considered agreement. This is how courts claim jurisdiction over you. You show up. You answer to the name. You don't object. This is why your name appears in all caps in court and on government documents. It is not a typo, it is a declaration that you are acting as the corporate entity, not the living soul. You were never told about this dual identity. You were never taught the difference between the natural man and the legal fiction. Because if you knew, you might just reclaim what was always yours. The enforcement machine, peace officers, prosecutors, and judges in commerce. The operators of commercial justice and the corporate courtroom theater. By now, you've seen the paperwork, the contracts, and the hidden jurisdiction. But how is it enforced? Through the actors of the corporate legal system, peace officers, prosecutors, and judges. They appear to be arbiters of justice, but their true role is commercial. They do not enforce common law, they enforce statutes. And statutes are rules of a corporation, not laws of the land. The peace officer issues a bill of exchange, a citation. It's a bond, a commercial instrument that enters the system. The prosecutor acts as the lawyer for the state, a private corporate entity seeking settlement, not justice. The judge? He is not a neutral party. He is the banker. The administrator. His job is to manage the debt, extract your consent, and render a commercial judgment. You are not there to face your accuser. You are there to settle a corporate contract, as the surety for the legal fiction that bears your name. Debtor's prison in the 21st century. How does the corporate system punish non-performance? Through administrative remedies disguised as justice, fines, probation, jail time. Make no mistake, this is not punishment for crime. It is enforcement for unpaid commercial charges. You didn't break a law. You failed to satisfy a bond. This is the silent recreation of debtor's prison. The people are processed as inventory. The prisons are privatized. The courts are monetized. And the entire legal system becomes a conveyor belt of bonded labor. Until you challenge jurisdiction, until you correct your status, the court will presume you are the corporation. And the debt will continue to accumulate.